Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Alex, and I've been riding electric unicycles for about 3 years. I've been on many other vehicles since I was young, but definitely EUCs have made that change and have been that staple vehicle that I've brought around with me all the time. As far as getting to and from work, that's easily my favorite way of getting there. It gets to work just as fast as a car or a bike. On top of that, if I need to go to a grocery store or literally do any other random task, then just having a wheel with me, it just makes everything seem more free and more fun. Definitely like electric unicycles just because of how attached you feel to the vehicle as opposed to using like a bicycle where you have to use the handlebars, or a lot of other vehicles where you end up having to manipulate all types of levers and wheels just to be able to get yourself going around. Yeah, anyways, it's a good time.